What's up, guys? Happy New Year. And do we have a surprise for y'all? We're gonna get into some Hidden Fates ETBs. I've been sitting on this for a couple days. Got it from my local card store and I was able to snag one, so I'm really excited. I was thinking I was gonna save it, but I'm gonna get two more. So we're gonna open this one. Wish us luck. Let's get into it. I don't know why. Going with 4. Hopefully I'm right. Okay, good. Oh, well, Aether Foundation employee. I mean, I'm sorry I boo-booed that up real bad. I need to put that in the sleeve for sure. Let's see. I mean, I might have missed something else. I don't know. I threw them cards all over the place. Vaporeon. Yeah, that's pretty much. Yeah, not bad. That's what Long Island's do to you. A full art supporter from the Shiny Belt. Wouldn't it be nice if I pulled a Charizard? X. I'll take it. Maybe I had to charge that. Last pack magic. Wish us luck. And Mew. No Charizard. But not that bad. Alright guys, not the greatest showing of Hidden Fates. We did pull a few things. We will continue our search as the product hits the shelves. I'm going to be looking at Target, Walmart, all of our trading stores around here, making phone calls and all that good stuff, so that we will have more material of Hidden Fates before it's gone for good. Also stay tuned, we're going to be doing a giveaway. We need to look at some of our logistics on that. So once we get all the details, we'll let you guys know. We're going to give away something really cool for all of our subscribers. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh no! Guys, I'm so sorry. I boo-booed. Big time. Please don't get this on video. What are you doing? I'm trying to take this so gentle. I'm gonna cry. Hey, I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. Hopefully we get something good. I had too many beers, I'll admit. But this was just an accident.